1. Crash diet. Restricting calories may not be good for your thyroid. Crash dieting is a way of quickly losing weight by limiting how much you eat. A crash diet is any form of eating that restricts, eliminates the body of essential calories and nutrients. Fasting has a direct impact on thyroid and human health. It causes major changes in your metabolism, which impacts your thyroid and can trigger hypothyroidism in people. 2. Beans. Getting enough fiber is a good for you, but too much can complicate your hypothyroidism treatment. Beans and legumes that go above that level affect your digestive system, can interfere with absorption of thyroid hormone replacement drugs. If you are on a high fiber diet, you might need a higher dose of thyroid medication. Your maintenance dose may need to be increased if you are not absorbing enough medication. 3. Artificial sweeteners. Use of artificial sweeteners within hypothyroidism population, including aspartame and sucralose, shows elevated levels of thyroid stimulating hormone. Increased TSH levels are considered indicative of hypothyroidism. In one study, 2 of every 3 who had subsequently stopped using artificial sweeteners had a complete reversal of their hypothyroidism. 4. Walnuts. Walnuts can interfere with thyroid hormone absorption, so avoid eating them at the same time you take your medication. Absorption of levothyroxine may be decreased by foods such walnuts and fiber. These foods should be avoided within several hours of dosing if possible. 5. Cruciferous vegetables. You cannot eat cruciferous vegetable if you have thyroid disorder. Cruciferous vegetable which include broccoli, cauliflower, Brussels sprouts and kale. It has been observed that there is interfere with how your thyroid uses iodine. Iodine plays a role in hormone production in thyroid gland. Reducing the amounts of such produced in the morning right after taking your medication may help. 6. Calcium supplements. Calcium supplements or antacids containing calcium can interfere with the absorption of thyroid hormone replacement medications, such as the synthetic thyroid hormones levothyroxine and leothyronine, as well as thyroid extract supplements. Excessive amounts of thyroid hormone replacement medication can also result in bone loss. In addition to osteoporosis, hyperthyroidism can cause blood calcium levels to by as much as 25%. 7. Avoid plastic. One of the worst forms of BPA exposure is from plastic products exposed to heat. Making plastic coffee lids and drink bottles primary offenders. If you drink coffee every morning through a plastic lid and drink water, coffee or tea passes through a plastic coffee lid, both the heat and the acidity leach very high levels of BPA into your drink. 8. Gluten. Minimizing their intake of gluten, a protein found in foods processed from wheat, barley, rye, and other grains. Gluten can irritate the small intestine and may hamper absorption of thyroid hormone replacement medication. One study found that gluten-free diet may have clinical benefits for women with thyroid disease. 9. Alcohol. Alcohol consumption can change both thyroid hormone levels in the body and the ability of thyroid to produce hormone. Alcohol appears to have a toxic effects on the thyroid gland and suppress the ability of the body to use thyroid hormone. Ideally, people with hypothyroidism should cut out alcohol completely or drink in careful moderation. 10. Sugary foods. Hypothyroidism can cause the body's metabolism to slow down. It is easy to put on pounds if you are not careful. You want to avoid foods with excess amounts. It is a lot of calories with no nutrients. It is best to reduce the amount of sugar you eat or try to eliminate it completely from your diet.